Xiaomi has introduced the new Redmi Pad in India. The Redmi Pad has a slim and lightweight design with flat edges. 3 color options: graphite gray, moonlight silver, and mint green. It has a 10.6-inch 2K LCD display with support for a 90Hz adaptive sync refresh rate. It comes with up to 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, which can be expanded via a memory card by up to 1TB. The tablet consists of an 8MP rear camera and an 8MP selfie camera. 8000 mAh battery. The tablet comes with a quad speaker setup with Dolby Atmos, facial recognition, 2 mics, a USB-C port, dual-band Wi-Fi 5, and Bluetooth version 5.3. There's an IP52 rating and support for Microsoft apps.